All right, so basically what today is more backyard shenanigans. I've got this unsightly pile of wood that I've got to get rid of. So the best way that I could think of was to burn it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna hand this off to my cameraman.
What a lovely view.
All right,
You would say that.
Oh Lord.
All right,
You know,
is
like,
that still on?
oh, I didn't push the record.
No, don't push record yet.
You know, 25 snakes are gonna come flying out there.
I saw another little black snake down there a while back, by the way.
Should I be recording?
I'm pretty sure this is dying, Peter. The screen is off. And there's a red light flashing.
We're recording.
Are we?
All right. Slow-mo it.
I can't tell. I don't see anything on this side.
You can stop talking. I know, I've got it. It's on the front.
Oh.
Ready? One match.
Yeah, that's why. We got it though. Look at that shit. I did.
Definitely freaked out.
Gas fumes are heavier than air.
Tony, you keep recording.
I really hope I didn't screw this up.
I probably should have warned you.
Yeah, gas fumes are heavier than air, so they roll along the ground like clouds, sort of. Cigarette wouldn't do that.
Yeah. So,
Oh, I hope I did it. Check.
that's what I'm checking. You can bring the camera over here for a minute.
That was terrible.
So that was fun. That was exciting. I think that'll probably get rid of most of it. It's really hot. I'm
Yeah, I can feel the
15
feet
feet away,
from here.
20 feet away, and it's burning. So
Yeah, I mean, just look at the you know, the heat waves above it,
Ridiculous.
yeah.
all the way up to the tree. Look how black that limb is just from scorched.
Oh,
Yeah.
ridiculous.
So that's where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I'll check that in a little bit. And we'll take this from this guy. All right. So this is our. Oh, that's spicy. Nice and toasty. That should get. I really probably should have. Safety first, guys. I should have done the water hose out here. Should have done the water hose. Really didn't get that pulled out, but oh, that's an open gas can. That's good. I don't think it's illegal. I think it's ill-advised.
Frowned upon.
So I'm gonna go ahead and kill this, but as y'all can see,
Suburbia.
we're good.